So today we will start with experiment number 5. In this, what we have to do, in this first we have to draw a network topology which will consist of 6 nodes, and we need to find the number of packet drop due to congestion. So a ping message. So now what we have to do, we have to draw one topology like this. Okay. So for this, the first step will be we have to open the terminal, 3 terminal, like we did in our previous experiment. We have to first open one dispatcher terminal, then we have to open one coordinator terminal, then we have to open one NCT1S client terminal. Okay, so let us start to with that with this topology drawing. So already I kept it this window open. So you can see here already this NCTUMS window, working window is there. So now we will draw the topology first. So for that, what we have needed, first of all, first we need one switch there. So we will take one switch from this, click on that, click on this empty space. Now we want host 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there were 6 hosts needed. Now we will connect this with a communication link. Join it. Join it. Join like this. Like this. Like this. And like this. So here we finish with our network topology drawing. So you can see the first step in this is drawing the network topology. Now after that, what we have to do, we have to edit the property which we seen in our previous examples. We edit the property where we change the MAC address, where we change some bandwidth, where we change, we edited some properties, then we set up some commands, then we went for the run simulation. But in this experiment, we will not do all those things. It is not required to do the what you can say, any setup for command or the node editor. It's not required. Directly what we have to do, first what we did, we drawn the topology. Now what they're saying, in the edit mode, get the IP address of one host, say host 1, and then for the other host 2, and set the drop packet and number of permissions. So we will check that. Suppose this, you go to the edit. Okay, give some name. Suppose I will give it name EXP5. Save it. Yes. Then what you will do, okay, suppose this, in this, go to node editor, to MAC, address. This you can select like we did in the previous, same thing you do. Again, in this bandwidth is 10, keep it like that. Press OK. Okay. Then enter. Then no command is needed. Okay. Then here suppose where this host we are doing same thing. MAC, multiplex, flex. MAC address is 9. Okay. Okay. Enter. Now, what we have to do, we have to run the simulation. It will ask to save. Okay, save it. Enter. Now, go to simulation, run it. So now your simulation is running. You can see here. So let the simulation finish. Now, as we know, with the previous experiments, what we have done, when the simulation is going on, after the simulation is finished, then we are seeing, we are doing this playback, and then we are seeing the data transmission. But for this, during the simulation only, we have to check the, okay, that is written here. If you want to see, now run the simulation. Now click any one of the hosts and click on command console and ping the destination node. So we can see like this we have to do. Okay, like run mode, open command console, and ping any one of the host, destination host. So now we will do. So suppose this is my destination host. Okay, so click here. Now you can see this command console is working because it is in simulation mode. It is in run mode. If this is completed, we cannot do it. So go to command console. Then you have to 1.0.1.2. Now you can see it is saying what is this ICMP, what is the TTL, what is the time, how many batches going. Okay, so like this way it is until this simulation is running, we are able to receive this information. You can check it here. As soon as the simulation will stop, this information is going to stop. You can see at what simulation is done, we are not able to check the command console now. So to see this number of collision and number of what is the number of TTL time and all this, we need to do it on the run mode. We cannot do it on the playback mode. Now, one thing which we have to see that during the runtime, we went to that command console and we seen there the number of packet drop and all. But the number of packet drop only we can see when the traffic is more in the network. At that time only we are able to see the actual packet drops. Okay, so in this way we can use the simulator to see the number of packet drop due to collision. Okay, so for this what we have to do, we have to draw one topology and we have to set the address for this too, and there is no need to do the command setting and the node editor setting. Directly we can click on any host, and in that we have to go to the command console and we have to write a ping and the destination host ID, and we are able to see the information in the command console. But it will only work in the run mode, that we have to keep in mind. So this is the way we will perform this experiment. Thank you.